you are an XRP holder, this video is for you. They are scared. They are scared of XRP. They are scared of Ripple. Who is they? I'm going to explain it to you and give you some pretty interesting information. This was a fun video to make because I've been looking forward to making this one because I love to be validated and vindicated, if you will, as a XRP, longtime XRP holder. So this one's got a smile on my face here. So do two things for me. Please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new to me. My name's Austin. I cover XRP every single day, both here on YouTube as well as on X, with two goals: help you make more money, help keep you informed, and stay to the end of the video because I got a way for you to make even more money in crypto and in stocks if you're interested in that. Okay. So let's jump into this. So right now, as of the recording of the video, XRP is trading at $2.99. You can see it's up 0.01. Don't go buy your island in the Bahamas yet. You know, we're not quite there yet. We got to get some more. We got to get XRP to 10x, 20x, 30x, which I believe it will, by the way. You know, we're going to move up. Okay. So what is it I'm talking about as far as kind of this vindication and they are scared of us? Look, I'm going to say a couple of things and I want your opinion. Drop in the comments below. Number one, I firmly believe, and I don't have any proof of this. Okay. But this is my opinion and I want to see if you agree with me. I believe that the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit was, I think there was a lot of reasons it went down, but I think one of the reasons it went down was, it was a tactic. It was meant to slow Ripple down because who is threatened by Ripple and XRP? Traditional large banks. Why? Because I think they looked down the road and they saw what was coming. They saw that there is a new entire new financial system coming. And Ripple was the company, the organization that posed the biggest threat. Okay. And we're seeing that now play out. What is Ripple doing? They're out making strategic acquisitions, buying various companies to help lay the rails for this new, financial, ecosystem that is being built on the blockchain as we see. Okay. So who's scared of Ripple? Banks, financial institutions, things of this nature. And you can see that it's playing out. And again, I think that the lawsuit was part of that. That's actually not the main point of the video, but I just wanted to say that. Look at this. This is an example. Remember, I don't know if you remember this, that Ripple applied for a U.S. banking license, and it's now actually open. This is breaking news. It's now actually open for public review. But you may not remember that the banks went to their lobbyists on Capitol Hill and tried to get this killed. The banks don't want Ripple to be a U.S. bank. It's a threat to them. Because Ripple, again, doing their acquisitions, look at what they're doing. Look at the moves that this company is making. They are a fast, nimble competitor, and they're a threat. They're a threat to the entire banking industry, a old industry with a lot of legacy systems, legacy thought processes. There was the banks, I believe firmly. Remember, the banks were trying to defund crypto companies, not allow them into the banking, the banking systems. Remember all that? All that was that. I'm not making any of this up. Go look at it. Go do some research. Okay. The banks hated crypto. Why are the banking industry and everybody now talking about it? Number one, they can't fight it anymore. And so now they're looking at it like, oh yeah, we're on board. We've been on board forever. Not true. Okay. They haven't been, but now they're on board because they're starting to figure out ways that they can make money with crypto, with all the other stuff. And it definitely the large investment houses like JP Morgan, Schwab, Fidelity. I'll remind you that a year ago, Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan, was out bashing Bitcoin, saying that it was a scam and all these other things. And now JP Morgan is offering crypto custody. They're going to start selling crypto to their customers and blah, blah, blah. Okay. Again, don't look at what they say, look at what they do. Right. Okay. So this is a scenario where I want you to understand that again, they are scared. They're trying to kill various things about Ripple. I'm going to remind you about this. SWIFT, the system that sits underneath the vast majority of the banking infrastructure, old legacy, massive system. The SWIFT system, you don't know what it is. It's the system that the banks use to move money internally and inside, externally, across international borders, all et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So Swift came out, has just recently made a major announcement that they're going to be start using. Oh, now we're going to start using layer two blockchain built on Ethereum called Linea, blah blah blah. It's a marketing play. Swift has been doing nothing as far as blockchain technology, and now they're coming out saying, "Oh, we're going to start doing some stuff." It's a marketing play. I firmly believe that. What? They're scared. Okay. So let's bring this home. What does this mean to you as an XRP investor? It means, number one, you're in the right place at the right time. Again, my opinion, whether you want to sell your XRP or hold it or not, that's up to you. I look at all these different pieces and I'm like, man, everything I've said in this video convinces me even more that I should be an even bigger XRP investor and hold the token because of its 10x, 20x, 30x potential. Because of everything I've just said, because they are a market disruptor, because Ripple is disrupting a traditional large institution, banks. Okay. I love that. Okay. And I think the worst part is behind us. The SEC lawsuit, all that. I think it's behind us. The tide is turned. The tide is turned look at the price of the XRP token. Look, it's already gone up dramatically. And I still think we have a long way to go. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. I want your opinion. Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? I want to see what you think. Okay. So yeah. All right. I promised you a way you'd make even more money in crypto and all that. Number one, I've got a free newsletter. Go sign up for it. Links in the description below. Okay. It's right down there. You'll see it. It'll take you to this page. You'll see it. And I've hired a professional writer to help create this, all with the goal of helping you make more profits and make more money in crypto and stocks and giving you advice, tips, tricks, all this kind of stuff. 100% free. I will not spam you. I will not send you junk. It is a great newsletter. And I'm investing in it by hiring professional writers to give you state-of-the-art class, A-class content. Okay, number one. Number two, I want to help you make even more money. And the way you can do that is by using a piece of software that I've created years ago that I spent a lot of money to create. It's a trading indicator. It runs on your iPhone, runs on Android, runs on any computer. Here's what it does. This is Zcash. You don't know who Zcash is. Let me show this to you. If you look at this, Zcash has been on fire right here. Look at this. In the last month, Zcash has been up 282%. But I want to show you something. Look at this. You see this? This is Zcash's chart. Okay. My software, this is a green buy alert right here. That's a little buy alert. Let me make that where you can see that. See where it says momentum up right there. Okay. Buy alert right there. So my software 46 days ago in this blue box, this is proof that it works. Okay. 46 days ago said buy. It's time to buy Zcash. Boom. And started moving up gradually, but then it took off. 359%. $1,000 of Zcash bought here. You would already have made a profit of $3,590, basically $3,600. If you sold it today, you'd get your 1,000 back plus $3,600. And my software 46 days ago said it's time to buy Zcash. But I want to remind you, this is 30-day chart. How would you like to have caught it before it took off? That's what the software does. It tells you when to buy and tells you when to sell any crypto. Oh, and by the way, it works for stocks too. This is Netflix. Look at this. Buy here, sell here. 90 days, 44%. Netflix chart. That's it. There it is. Okay. Bitcoin right here. Look at this. Gave a buy alert right here 9 days ago. Bitcoin's up 13%. Software works. And it literally costs you a little over $1 a day. $1 a day to use. You spend more than $1 a day on a cup of coffee, on a Coke, on a bag of chips. Is it your financial future worth more to you than a bag of chips or a coffee or a soda? At least try it. Here's why. You have a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. You don't like the font that I use in the software, you can ask for a refund and you get it. There is no excuses. We will give you a refund and cancel you anytime you want. Okay. And it cost $1 a day. You have zero reason to not try this. I've showed you exactly how it works and how you can make you money. By the way, I have a live community behind this where I have live coaches 3 times a week give classes, live classes that teach you everything you need to know, help you make even more money with it, all that kind of stuff. So I've done everything and I'm asking you for a little over $1 a day, $1. Give it a try. You have zero risk. Links in the description below. It'll take you to this page. Quarterly option is the cheapest. The cost is less than you see on the screen with that discount code you see down there. All right. I'll see you.